Students, hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS of the school, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version Skill Partnership. Today I am going to take a BGS class or Bangladesh and Global Studies class for class 3 students. So our today's topic, Chapter 9, Lesson 3-4 discussion plus fill in the blanks CW. So let's see our today's class, my dear students. Today's class 3, subject BGS, term annual 2021, topic Chapter 9, Lesson 3-4 discussions plus fill in the blanks CW, lecture 10, SW 10, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, let's start our today's class. As you know, this is Chapter 9, Lesson 3, the rivers of Bangladesh. You can see in the picture, in the map, main rivers in Bangladesh, Padma, Jamuna, Brahmaputra, Meghna and Karnataka, the place and location. Okay, let's start. Lesson 3, the rivers of Bangladesh. There are many rivers in Bangladesh. Some are big and some are small. They spread over the country like a web. The rivers start in the hills and flow down. They join with each other to the flow out into the sea to make the Bay of Bengal. Presence of many rivers make country riverine. So we call our country riverine. Bangladesh is a riverine country. Read the names of these 5 big rivers on the map. We have already read. The rivers often flood and bring alluvial soil in the fields. Alluvial means fertile soil. Good for the fields, good for the soil. Good for the soil, yes. So alluvial soil is a kind of mud. Our land is much fertile because of it. Water resources. As well as rivers, Bangladesh has many ponds, canals, haws and marshes. This helps to water our fields in every season. Using water for agriculture is called irrigation. This is very important for your fill in the blanks. So using water for agriculture is called irrigation. We also have plenty of fish, which is the main part of our food. We farm shrimps of the southern coast of the country. We earn a lot of foreign currency by exporting shrimps to other countries. We also use the rivers for transport and communication. So my dear students, let's go to Chapter 9, Lesson 4, Agriculture and Forests in Bangladesh. So you can see the agricultural resources, the paddy fields, the jute. Okay. So the main agricultural products of Bangladesh are rice, jute and tea. Rice is grown everywhere in the country. Jute and tea are cash crops. We export them to other countries to earn foreign currency. Moreover, wheat, mustard, many types of pulses, vegetables and spices are grown. We do not have many forest resources in Bangladesh. So we have to look after what we have and plant more trees. There are just 3 main areas of forest. How many? There are just 3 main areas of forest. So the first area is the hilly forest. It is situated in the hilly areas. Different types of trees, bamboo and cane are grown here. Elephants, monkeys and wild bears are there up in the hills. The second area is Shaf forest, located in Madhupur, Vawal and Borendra. Wood from the shal forest, this is called shal forest. So wood from the shal forest is used to build houses and make poles for power lines. In these areas, you will also find different fruit and wood trees other than shal. The third area is the Sundarbans in the south of Khulna division. Here you find Sundari, the tree. Royal Bengal tiger, you can see the picture. So in Sundarban we can find Sundari, Gewa, Golpata, Keora trees. The world famous Royal Bengal tigers also live in the Sundarbans. So my dear students, let's go to chapter 9, fill in the blanks. So chapter 9, fill in the blanks. First one is a map that shows hills and rivers is called a physical map. So this is taken from chapter lesson 1 and 2, chapter 9. A map that shows hills and rivers is called a physical map. Number 2, we have many minerals. We have many minerals which are dug out of the ground. So minerals are dug out on the grounds. We have many minerals which are dug out of the ground. Number 3, using water for agriculture is called irrigation. As we have read today, this is taken from chapter 9, lesson 3. Number 4, jute and tea are cash crops. So jute and tea are cash crops. This is taken from chapter 9, lesson 4. So I am reading again. Number 1, a map that shows hills and rivers is called a physical map. I am not pointing so that you can take a screenshot of this. Number 2, we have many minerals which are dug out of the ground. So number 3, using water for irrigation is called irrigation, and jute and tea are cash crops. So my dear students, your SW will be 10. SW 10. SW is chapter 9, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks 1 to 4. So my dear students, your SW 10, chapter 9, fill in the blanks. Okay. So that's for today, my dear students. Go through the chapters again and again and read the fill in the blanks. Thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. Have a good parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.